Alright, well, we loaded into Cuphead because I didn't start recording.
Oh.
We were just walking around and this happened. I don't know what we're gonna do to that, but...
I have no idea. I guess...
no, it can't be.
Huh?
It can't be. Do you know why?
Why?
Because you have 20 coins. Unless you didn't spend it at the shop.
No, I'm fairly certain I didn't spend it.
Okay.
Because I still have what I remember having.
Well, wait a minute.
Which was the dash, the triple shot, and the basic. Because I didn't buy anything else.
Okay, so where do we want to start?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay, I'll go this way.
You went all the way around the island just to go back to where we started.
Hell yeah, we did.
Alright. That's...
Oh, man.
Oh. I was hoping I wouldn't kill it. Ow. Spin a minute.
Man.
There.
What the fuck is that?
Oh. We both walked slightly too close.
My dad's DeBron. I'm all brains. Together we bring the pain. Are you sure that's your dad? Does he be taking those balls to the face?
Here's my papa.
Father, stop taking the balls to the face, papa.
Papa.
Oh, poopy. Oh, poopy. It's okay, you got this. I believe in you. Oh. Evidently, I didn't believe hard enough.
I don't know what your excuse is, but I'm tired.
I'm horrible. That's what my excuse is. I'm a terrible Cuphead player.
That's it.
What would you do you want something else? At least I'm being honest. I'm not trying to lie and be like, I'm the best Cuphead player in the world.
Well, I didn't say you were the best Cuphead player. I was just like, that's just it. You're just bad?
Yes.
Do we have to go to the little children's game?
No, do you want to? I thought you were bored of it. But I mean, if you want to, hey, more power to you, man.
Oh, your thing screwed up my timing.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that was on me completely.
Alright. Okay.
Ooh.
You can parry those, but...
Yes, I know.
But Surprised you're not going after him with the...
Hold on. I don't... No, this phase is fine. Next phase is where I struggle.
Crap.
This phase is fine. It's the next phase after this that's the real hassle.
Oh, son of a bitch.
I can't even get you.
Do you want me to join back in?
That's up to you if you...
Alright. Oh, that was useless. I just took a hit for nothing. So what's the next phase? Because I've never actually seen the spot. Oh. So what is...
Yeah.
What the fuck?
They shoot pills.
And hearts?
No, yeah, no. So no, the little medic birds shoot pills that will split up and... You know, they'll try to chase after you.
Oh my god!
The main bird will shoot his heart out, and that's the only way you can damage him, is by shooting his heart. Oh, I don't even know what I was thinking there. Just ran right into him.
Oh shit. Oh, I only got hit once in that set. 1, 2, 3.
I prefer it when he's right here. Yeah, there we go. So I can dodge closer to the top and just keep hitting him.
Thank you. I'm gonna use it now.
I'm gonna build up my thing in time.
I'm gonna join back and hopefully just not die.
Oh.
Oh, uh-oh.
Ah, dang it. I shouldn't have tried.
That's fine. You just work through it.
Ah!
It's okay. You got this.
I don't like these Joy-Cons.
In other words, I should have brought my other Peach remote.
Maybe.
No, he was taking damage before he stood up his
Here,
sword.
hold on. Take these. I'll use my other controller.
Oh yeah, you did.
I don't even know how that happened. Yeah. The only thing I don't like about this controller right here is that it has a hair trigger for the right, but it's good in this game because I'm going to be holding down the button either way.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh, that's perfect. Alright, well, whenever you're ready.
I think I might have to...
Charge it?
Yeah, I might have to plug it into a charger.
You got an Xbox one right there. It should be the same cable, right?
No, I'm saying like I actually need to plug it into your console.
Oh!
Because it's weird like that.
Oh, fuck. I do not have one set to the side.
I'll just pull this one out. Hey, well, there's the PS4 one.
Oh, you're right.
Or sorry, PS5, whatever you want to call it.
No, I got what you meant. I was there with you, man. I got you.
Well, I know you were there with me.
Oh, you do? Sweet.
Yeah, just need it plugged in for a moment. It should be charged, and if it's not, I have a cable right here. Okay. Now I should be able to unplug.
Hey, you know what? I'll charge my phone with that cable.
Just so I keep this one topped off, I will actually plug it in.
Oh my god. 7 hours, 47 minutes. No, thank you.
Well, that's when it's plugged into the dang thing.
Yeah, there's the switch.
Would you like the one I currently got?
No, I got one plugged right. Yeah.
Okay.
I just didn't want to bend down at this awkward angle. 2 hours
Fair
and 4
enough.
minutes is more like it.
What's your phone at?
3.
Oh.
Alright, you're up. Alright. We got this. We can do this.
Yeah. Especially seeing as I'm not dealing with the finicky joystick of the Joy-Cons. Yeah, that's what was really getting me. I didn't have my full range of motion.
Okay.
Yeah, this feels so much better.
I bet it does.
Smooth like butter.
Don't you do... Okay. We were both prepared to parry that, too. Oh, well.
Oh, I parried too late.
Thank you. Saving my ass.
Oh, crap. I'm just gonna try to end it if I can.
Ooh, nice. Save.
There we go.
Hey, I actually made it to this part. I see what you were talking about, though. Alright. Oh my god.
Yeah, you can't damage him with
shit.
you can't. Okay, that's what I meant. Is that you can't damage him when his heart is out of his body. That's what it was.
Woo!
Okay. Yeah, no, they're planning on eating him now.
That's sad.
It's dark. There we go. Yeah, B+. If only I didn't take so much damage against that middle state, that second to last phase. Because I was at full hearts going in.
Yeah.
I had 6 going all the way up until that very last phase. Yep, there we go. Wally Warbles.
Alright, so we could either do... So I think we have 2 more left?
No, we got... is it only 2?
Yeah, we got the clown.
Clown and the dragon. What are we thinking? Is it really just you spinning in circles that's doing the wish? Or
I hope not, but...
We should probably stop doing that then?
Yeah. I like spinning in circles, though.
Okay, now I gotta remember what the heck my jump button is. Oh, okay.
Mine's the B button.
Right, good. I like playing risky with this guy.
Yeah,
problem is, he likes playing risky too.
Dang it, I was going for that parry. We're not doing too bad today.
Ow. Ow. I don't think that hit.
You hit the bottom of his little thing.
Oh, I hate this. I hate that part.
Damn it.
Yeah, no, he goes... Right, yeah, yours is the vertical one.
Okay. That was not bad at all. Okay.
I figured there was another phase after.
I mean, yeah, of course. But, okay, so...
Ow.
There's one parry there. If I need to not parry a duck, like, let me know. I will...
Oh, no, you don't... No, you're fine. Parry whenever you need.
Okay. Because if that parry helps you keep from taking damage, then...
No, I have the invincibility dash, or whatever you want to call it.
Okay.
The one that has the further length and makes it to where I don't get hurt in the middle of my dashes. Ow. I thought you had that. I thought your thing had that one, so I
No! I thought you had that one!
Ow.
I hate these balloons.
I was so in the zone the first time.
Did that... Oh, I thought it took...
Oh!
Uh-oh.
I thought that was me who died.
Thank you!
I thought that... Oh! Now that's me who died.
There's a... Okay, right? Oh, shit. Oh, thank you. Nice save.
Oh, crap!
Oh, fuck.
I thought I was still in the middle of the super animation. I thought I was still in the middle of the super animation, so I thought I was good.
You should have been, but I guess not.
Is this the pillar? No, this is the background one. Where's the merry-go-round?
Yeah,
I got up. Get up, get up, get up, down. Whatever that song is. Get up, get a move on.
We're not talking about Shinedown, are we?
Shine it.
I'd rather be shiny. Ow, little fucker.
Pick an eye, babe.
Huh?
Because he has, you know, the two eyes. You know, I can only focus on one eye at a time. Pick an eye. Right or left, right or left. Pick an eye.
Oh, yeah.
Ow. Go for the risky parry. Ow.
I was just going for damage.
No,
like, damage dealt.
I know that. I was just going for a risky parry because I thought it was going to be funny. And it was. I did actually make the risky parry.
Hooray.
Yeah, that.
And then I stole it from you. I was surprised you didn't go for that parry.
Oh, come on. I thought we were starting with gold again.
Well, it doesn't matter what we're starting with. As long as it doesn't... Oh, shit. Alright. trying to hopefully get my super back up. This reminds me of the laugh from Scooby-Doo. Like Charlie the Clown laugh.
Oh crap.
I gotcha. Oh crap, get me. Thank you.
There we go.
Woo! Oh shit! Last save of the fight. Damn.
Nah.
We're on a roll today. 2 bosses down in one single episode.
Yep.
Sadly, it is time to end the episode, but
B+ ain't bad.